Hey guys, it's Sarah. Welcome back to another video. I wanted to give my girl Lauren a shout out for making me these adorable plush hearts. She made our favorite pizza, pineapple and broccoli. I love them so much. Sometimes you just need to give yourself a break. Step back and try to look at a situation from an outsider's perspective. You may realize what you're going through is smaller in the grand scheme of things. I'm encouraging myself to try and think this way when it comes to certain problems in my life, which is why this video is about giving yourself a hug. I want to love myself, and I know it's something that I've been talking about for a while, but being hard on yourself is degrading for your self-esteem. When it comes down to it, you're the only one in charge of your life and your well-being. Don't rely on others to bring you happiness. You have to find it within yourself. It's funny to me that I've always known this, but as of recently, it's only been starting to sink in.
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos from me, please subscribe to my channel. I upload every Tuesday. Thanks. Bye guys.